Hi guys, in this video I am going to show how you can expand your Jio Prime membership 1 year for free. So let's get started. Before that, if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for every single video update. To expand your Jio Prime membership for free 1 year, first of all open your My Jio app and here you can see congratulations you can see one like this. Tap on that. After that, you can get this type of one page and simply tap and proceed. After that you can get this type of one registration realized successfully. That's it friends. After that, press on the done button. You can get your Jio Prime membership 1 year for free. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for every single video update. Help me to reach 100 subs fast. Okay, bye friends.